Hello everyone. I am Amala Anuciya, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see the topic about marketing management as sales promotion in marketing analysis and overview of strategy and impact. First of all, sales promotion. What is what? Special offers or deals to encourage people to buy a product in quickly. Okay. Sales promotion analysis is the process of measuring and evaluating the effectiveness of a sales promotion. It helps for business understand and promotion met its goals and how it's impacted sales and customer behavior. Okay, it involves sales data, customer response, how many used the offer, customer response. Next, return on investment, ROI. Did the promotion make more profit than it cost? Using insights to improve future promotions. Okay, first of all, helps make it data-driven marketing decisions, improves budget allocations, and enhance customer targeting and combine designs. Next up, objectives of sales promotions. It boosts short-term sales and encourage trial of new products, attract new customers, and clear out inventory. It data-driven marketing decisions. Okay. It for attract new customers and new product and services. Clear out inventories. Old stocks are clear out. Next, types of sales promotion. First one, consumer promotions. Second one, trade promotions. Third one, sales force promotions. First one, consumer promotions. What is consumer promotions? It is different marketing techniques and tools that combine used to encourage customers like you and me, okay, to buy their product or services, especially in short time. That is short time process to attract buyers and boost up sales to improve gain. Okay, it is short term process direct to the customers. Okay, consumer promotion is offers or incentives to give attract buyers and boost up of sales, coupons and samples. It is for to get attention from new customers. Next, increase sales in quickly to build brand awareness and beat competitors by offering better deals. Okay, example 20% off on school bags at store and buy one get one offer in local shop on online shopping, quiz and purchase a bookstore, etc. Okay, next one, trade promotion. What is trade promotion? It is discounts to retailers. Okay, it is discount to retailers. Trade promotion is incentives and special offers that companies give to retailers or wholesalers or distributors. Consumer promotion is directly to consumers. Trade promotion is not directly to consumers. Okay, difference. To encourage them, sell more of their product. Same goal. Okay. Trade promotion is companies give offers to shops and sellers to help sell more of their product to customers. It is trade promotions to get more space in stores, convenience shopkeepers, and clear out old stock in quickly to launch new products, get them into stores. That's trade promotions uses. Okay. Next, it is helps for understand how products reach themselves. and useful in business and commerce and marketing studies. It is supply chain or distribution and increasing the sales. Okay, trade promotions. Next one, sales force promotion. Sales force promotion is nothing but it is incentives and rewards and motivational tool. It is for motivational tool given to a company's sales team, sales people, that is sales people, team of people to encourage them to sell more product and services. Three types also equal to consumer promotion, trade promotion and sales promotion is equal to increase them sell to more product and services. Consumer promotion is direct to consumer. Trade promotion is indirectly to consumers. Sales for promotion is rewards and motivational tools. Okay, that is short term. It is employees are motivated in real companies to understand human resources and marketing strategies. Then business and management and commerce, it is very useful to the Salesforce promotions. It is for equal. Okay. It is for next one, marketing. Consumer promotion tools, coupons, free samples, contests and sweepstakes, loyalty programs and price packs. Next, trade promotion tools. Indirect to consumers. Discounts, allowance, free goods, push money, trade shows and conventions. Third one, Salesforce promotion tools. It is motivated. Okay. Rewards, bonuses, contest, a connection program, sales meetings. It is all for Salesforce promotion tools. Next one, important for role in marketing strategy. Sales promotion supports advertising and personal selling by creating urgency and encouraging purchase. What is marketing strategy? It is company's overall plan to promote and sell. It is product or services to customers. Okay, it is extra motivation to buy. Right now, it gives customers extra motivation. This is marketing strategy. Extra motivation word is marketing strategy to buy. Okay, creating awareness, getting people to try the product, boosting sales fast, buy two get one free, deal for 1 week examples. Next one, it is pushing short-term sales and attracting and attention and making customers act quickly. Okay, importance in marketing analysis. First one, measures effectiveness of campaign, track customer response, access ROI and cost benefit. First one, help measures customer response. Marketing analysis uses sales promotions data to see how customers react to discounts, samples, and offers. Next one, track customer response. It is analysis. Okay, increasing sales during a promotion period. Okay, promotion period to during increases in sales. That is what work, what doesn't. Okay, tracks customer response. Next one, access ROI and cost benefit, return on investment. It's evaluation. That is evaluation. Evaluates if the cost of running the promotion was worth the profit gained. Okay, access ROI and cost benefit is profit gained. Next one, steps in sales promotion analysis. First one, set objectives. Set objectives are set planning, other term. Okay, it is decide what you want. to achieve with the promotion. Okay, example, increase sales, attract new customers, and clear old stock. First plan. Next, select tool. What type of tool you used? Choose the type of promotions you will use. Okay, discounts, promotions, and coupons, free samples, buy one, get one free. Okay, design the promotion. Next one, design the promotion. Plan how the promotion will look and work. That timing, target audience, and messages, and what it will be happen. Example, online, in store, college events, etc. Design the promotion. Okay. Next one, implement and track. That is, start tracking results. Launch the promotion to start tracking the results. What type of customer response, sales numbers, and any users during this promotions. Okay, implement and track. Keep an eye on customers' reviews. Okay, implement and track. Next one, evaluate results. Evaluate results is analyze the success. Okay, the promotion to analyze the success. It is improved for next time. Okay, meet your goals, worked well, and improved for next time. Evaluate results. Steps in sales promotion analysis. Next one, matrix for evaluations. Matrix for evaluation is nothing but sales lift is 10 percentage or 30 percentage redemption rate. Customer acquisition cost 50 or 40 percentage or 20 percentage. ROI, return on investment. Return on investment is 10 percentage to 20, 30, 40. Okay. Repeat purchase rate. Repeat purchase rate is 10, 20, 50. In repeat purchase rate is matrix for evaluations is up to down, down to up. Okay. Next one. Challenges in sales promotion. First one. Short-term focus. Short-term focus is for a limited time. Long-term brand loyalty. It helps for long-term brand loyalty. Boost of sales for a limited time. Okay, next. Risk of brand dilution. Look cheap. Brand look cheap or less premium in the eyes of customers. Okay, many offers or discounts to brand look cheap or less premium. Okay, in eyes of customers. Next one, customer dependency. Customer dependency. What is customer dependency? Customers may start waiting for offers instead of buying at the regular price. Okay, deal dependent. Customer dependency is deal dependent. Next one, future sales. Future sales is buy earlier than planned, which lower future sales. Lower than future sales. You just shifting, not increasing demand. Okay. Next one. Best practices and future trends. Best practices align with brand image. It is promotion matches the brand's identity. Okay. A luxury brand shouldn't give too many cheap discounts. Okay. Next, combine with other marketing efforts. It is for advertising, social media, and bigger impact. Okay, sales promotion. Next, monitor and analyze results regularly. It is for just launch it and forget it. Don't launch it and forget it. It is for track performance during the for promotion to what's working and fix problems quickly. Okay, monitor and analyze results regularly. Track performance is another one. Okay, next, future trends. First one, digital promotion. Digital promotion is online wise digital marketing or digital promotions. Promotions will be more than online using apps, websites, and social media and etc. etc. It is flash sales on shopping ads and promo codes on Instagrams, etc. Digital promotions. Next one, personalized offers. Personalized offer is other one. Customers will get custom offers based to interest and fast purchase. Okay, interest or fast purchase. That is for a food delivery. Okay, food delivery app giving a discount on your favorite dish. Personalized offers. Okay, next one, gamification. Gamification is will feel like game, fun and interactive. Okay, spin the wheel example. Okay, the game for a discount or collecting points to unlock rewards. Okay, gamification. Next one, data driven targeting. It is nothing but customer data. Data driven targeting is customer data. It's like companies will use customer data, location, behavior, preference, okay, to send the right offer to right person to right time. Right offer, right person, right time. Data driven targeting. Okay, it is for future trends, digital promotions, personalized offers, gamification, and data driven targeting. Thank you. This video is very useful. Any feedback to given mail ID to send you. Thank you.